Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw my Draw So Cute Uni-Dragon. So let's get started. To draw this cute dragon, let's first start by drawing a big circle for the eyes. So we can come right here and start a big curve. Go all the way around and connect. There. And then I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. Nice and big. There. So now I have my two circles in. Let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Now that we have the eyes in, I'm going to come about right here and just draw a curve. I'm going to come down right here, just a small curve, and same thing here, just to anchor my eyes and give it like a bridge for the dragon. And then I'm going to come right about here towards the side right here and just draw out two curves. And same thing here. Just to spruce it up. And thicken it up. There. And then let's come back to the top about right here towards the side, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And then now let's go in between the eyes, and I'm just going to go ahead right here very lightly, just draw a small curve. And then in bottom of this small curve, I'm going to draw two ovals for the nostrils. And then let's come back to the center, about right here. I'm going to go straight down with a line and then come up with a curve and cap it off. Same thing over here and cap it off. There, so I got my little dragon nose and mouth. Then from there, let's go ahead and start to frame the face. So I come to the top of the eye, come out really close to lashes, so about right here, give myself a point. Same thing on this side, about right there. And I'm basically going to draw a curve, kind of like the dumpling shape that I always give to all my characters. So it's going to kind of widen out a little bit right here. And then round it off for the cheeks. And I'm just going to bring it down, let's say, come back to my center, say about right here. Just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And I'm going to create this curve, bring it down. And aim towards my curve. So definitely turn your paper or your body. And we're just going to create this big curve and connect. There. So I'm drawing kind of big, so it is always a little bit harder. Now there, now we have that. Let's go and bring this up to finish off our dumpling shape. So it's going to come a little bit narrower. And I'm just going to come back to the other side, say about right here. And bring a curve down. It's always easier for my hand on this side to come down. There. So then before I finish this big curve, I'm just imagining this curve, I'm going to come back to the center, about right here in the center, and draw a curve right here for our unihorn. No, for our horn, not a unihorn, for our unicorn dragon, right? So then I'm going to come to the center, go up, say about this high, round off the tip, and connect. This drawing actually started off as a draw so cute dragon, but then as I was decorating my dragon and trying to figure out what to put on my dragon, it became a Uni-Dragon. So hopefully you like how it turned out. And so I'm going to continue this up. But before I finish it, I'm just going to come about right here, just come up a little bit more. If you're using a pencil, just finish the curve. But because I'm not, I'm going to come back about right here. I'm going to draw a curve. This right here, I'm going to add some, because it is a unicorn dragon, right? So I'm going to do 2 curves about right here. I'm going to add a mane. So let's go up so that I can give my dragon here some color. I'm going to go up like we're drawing a flame. I'm going to go to the center, and then we're going to go the other way. There's just so many ways to decorate a dragon. I couldn't, it took me forever, many tries to figure out which one I wanted to stick with. Okay, so there. Around everything off a little bit more. There. So it's just to be able to add some color. Okay, so now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and come back about right here, and we're going to add in some big floppy ears. So I'm going to go up and round off the tip and bring it down. I've always loved these floppy big ears for our dragon. So same thing over here, go up, round off the tip, make sure I'm coming back down about the same area, and connect. There. And then some more embellishments if you want. I'm going to come back right here and just add some more of this stuff. So maybe just 3, so 1 and then down. So same thing on the other side, about right here. And in. There. I got lazy and I should have measured, but here, I'll bring it down a little bit more. Okay, there. So now that we're done with that, and then you can add, maybe do this when I'm coloring, but or you can just add in these little patterns on the head, just to fill up the space. There. Okay, so now we're finally done with the head. Let's draw the body. Sorry that took forever. So let's come about right here and here. It's in the center. And I'm going to bring a slight angle line down on both sides. And then let's see here. So then about right here, I'm going to come in. This is going to start the arms. And then let's bring this in. So let's keep going. So we're going to bend it a little bit. And about right here, I'm going to round it off. And connect. So same thing here. Towards the center. And connect. There. So I have our arms. A little bit thicker, and then the back, so whatever space you have in between, just give it a little curve, and then the back, come about right here, we angle out a curve and then pop out the legs. Curve and just bring it in. So same thing here. Right there. And pop it out and bring it in. There. And then just to simplify everything, instead of drawing all these claws, I'm just going to come right here just to make it extra cute, and I'm just going to thicken up with my Sharpie these little ovals so it looks like claws without having to draw them. And then same thing here, just going to draw maybe 3 of them, whatever space I have, just to finish it off. And then let's draw a tail. So about right here, I'm going to pop in this tail. I'm going to go up and thicken it all up. So it's going to be thicker as we come back and bring it in. And for some decorations, I'm just going to come right here and curve all the way through. And then last thing we need to add, of course, are some wings. So I'm going to come about right here. I'm just going to give it some very simple wings. So I'm going to draw a curve and bring it down and then go back up. So 1, 2, and then bring it in. For some details, you can just draw a curve and curve. There. So same thing on this side. Go right there. Try and match the same. So drag this across. Go right there. And we're going to go up 1, 2, and 3. Kind of looks smaller on this side, huh? Okay, let's bring it down a little bit more. Okay, so then from there, once again, same details. And 2 and 3. There. And then let's add, if you wanted to do this, I just wanted to show you, you can add in some scales here. Or you can just do that when you're coloring. But I just want to add some texture right there, and that is pretty much it. Let's see here. I need to add a heart because this is a Draw So Cute Dragon, right? So let's add it. Where should we add it? Okay, I'm just going to put it right here to make this my Draw So Cute Uni-Dragon. I really hope you love this and that it brings a smile to your day and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.